Hey everyone, it's Kay again. I'm back to do just a follow-up from my last design team project for Papercraft Secrets. Just going to show you how to do a very quick and easy envelope, which I've already made for this card that I made last time. And it's too big, yes I know, but it fits in there perfectly. And I just put some double-sided tape for the person who gets the card, or if I use the card just to rip off the last minute kind of thing. So maybe you might need a little bit of a notch there. So I'm going to use the inside of my double-sided tape here. Pencil. I'm just going to have a guess of where the middle is. Just do a bit of a semicircle here. I should have done that before I stuck it down, but I didn't. Oh, that's right, it worked out okay. So that gives you a bit of leverage then when you just want to pull your card out like that. So that's going to be okay. Now, because you can cut that bit off the end there if you wanted to. If it's too much, it's entirely up to you. I don't mind it being a little bit big, it's fine. So I'm going to show you how to use it with the big paper. Like I said, because I printed this on cards a bit thicker than a normal envelope. You can just use paper, like I said before. If you're printing this on paper, that'd be perfect. Now this actually lends itself very well to being cut as smaller. I'm going to do that. Both sides. It would be straight if I'd use a trimmer. So the idea being is that you just fold it up. And I'm sorry, I don't really, as long as there's enough to cover your card. You can put the card there to measure if you wanted to. That's about there. Probably got to cut this bottom bit off as well. Can I do that still? Maybe. And then for the top bit, just fold it down like that. I will cut off this bit here because it's not and then a little bit of a semicircle like I did last time. This time I'm going to do before I stick it down. Pencil. That there. I mean, I don't know, you can use goes around normal envelopes if you wanted to do that, but this is just, like I said, this is just a quick and easy way of doing it. And then I'm just going to snip it from the corner. Take that bit there, hold it there on that side, so it looks the same on both sides. Make sure it's all lined up. I didn't fold that very straight because it's not even. Let's have a look. You can use your, if you've got a scoring tool, use that if you wanted to. I'll just do what I'm doing without any scoring at all. So just going to check to see if it fits. Miles. I think I probably could have cut this bit off a bit. I don't like the way I've cut that at all. Let's have a look now. Does it fit still? Yes, plenty of room, and then you have got your envelope. And if you think that's a bit busy, you can always put a bit of white paper on there for the address, or to the person's name, or if you're given to them, you don't really need the name. Okay, so you need double-sided tape just down on the edge of that bit there, and that bit there for the moment. Take the backing off. And then you've just got the envelope part, and then for the folds I'm going to actually do it again so it's a bit more. That's better. So I'm just going to put the same as what I did before without taking the backing off, just put the double-sided tape down so that the person can just peel it off and use it. If you're going to give this away as a for somebody else to use, which I often do, and don't put it off now. Now I've actually made all that wrinkly, so just be mindful where you fold it, which I wasn't very mindful, but I might have to put a bit of something there just to make it better. So that goes in there like that. Make sure there's no double-sided tape sticking up, otherwise it'll stick everywhere. Alright, so there's my other envelope for my other card. So that's 2 that I've done, ready to go, and then I've still got another one to do if I wanted to. I'll show you again just so you know. Okay, let's have a look. You know what, I might actually do this. Oh no, let's do it that way. I always seem to do it that way. Not sure why. From the bottom to the top. Okay, there. There, yeah. Do a little semicircle for ease of access. And you've actually given those plain cards that we made with no, I did put a butterfly on them in the end after I finished my last video. This way you've given those plain cards a bit of an extra lift by putting them in this pretty paper envelope, making it extra special. But like I said, if you didn't want to use this, you could just use any other kind of paper you wanted to. So again, so you just stick this bit down. Oops. Stick that down there like that. And there. Just for now. Stick it down. Alright, then you just trim. If you wanted to measure it, you could. I'm just doing it without any measurement like I normally do. Just having a snip. Just holding it so that you can get the sides evened up, and then that goes down. So then you've got another envelope then for your last card. It goes in there, and again we just do the double-sided tape around there like that. If you did not want to use tape and you don't use double-sided tape and you use glue, another way to create a way of closing your envelope is by using what they call a closure. So with closure, what am I doing? Throwing that away, and I shouldn't be. Where's I am? I just need something to go a closure. Just hang on a minute. Just looking for something quickly if I can. Looking for one of my small small eye elements, but I don't seem to have any small elements. Obviously, I haven't cut them all out. Oh, there's a little heart. There's a little heart. So what you do there is you just glue the bottom half of the heart down, and then that's glued down, and then that sort of slips under there like that. So that's how you can close it, and it stays there because you just glue it, but don't glue it all down, just the bottom half. Or, you know, if you're using something else like the cluster flowers, well, that's another heart. So if you're going to use a hexagon, which I can't seem to find, my hexagons, my little ones. I thought there was some there, but obviously I haven't got them there at the moment. Yeah, can't find one. So anyway, so just do that. Just glue the half of it down, and like that. Okay. Hopefully that helps you if you have making cards that are bigger than your envelopes and you don't have an envelope maker. That was just a quick and easy way to make some envelopes. Thank you very much for joining me in my very quick video today. But I just thought, I might as well show you after my last video how to make a quick envelope if you wanted to. Beautiful. Beautiful cards all ready to go. Thank you very much for joining me. Please take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.